After working all day, the body feels extremely tired. Then, when you come home and see that the house is very dirty, you can't even step on the floor or there is dirt everywhere, it feels very frustrating. The frustration comes from the fact that now again you have to clean the house, sweep, mop. So, how would it feel if after coming home you see everything is neat and clean? Hello everyone, today we will talk about the Dreame X60 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner. One of the most important features of this vacuum cleaner is that it is very slim, only 3.12 inches is its height. This will give an extra benefit for operating under furniture in the house. For those whose furniture has low gap underneath, it will work as a very good basic feature. So first, let's unbox it. Inside the box there is not much. There is the vacuum cleaner, plus its charging station. Inside there, you can see it needs a tray. In the front, we placed a system tray. Then, if we open the top compartment, we will find a small box. There you can put a detergent which is for cleaning the floor surface. Then here there is an option to store dry dirt. Dust will be collected here. And if we lift the upper hood, we will find two compartments. One for dry waste and one for wet waste. And here you can see the main vacuum cleaner. So if we go to the bottom part of the vacuum cleaner, you can see there are three wheels and there is an option to attach brush. With a simple press, they attach, and the wheels you can see are slightly adjustable. When pressure is applied, they go down, and the whole thing is adjustable. Since it is needed for moving on multiple surfaces like carpet, and in the middle the main brush that will collect dust we can see, and on the side there is a small mopping motor brush. And on the front you can see sensors are given, LiDAR sensor is given, cameras are given, and on top there is the power button and menu function button. So now we dock it into the charging base. After placing it there, first we turn on the charging base. There is a switch on top. It will turn on with that. After turning on, it is fully app controlled, meaning you can use it through the app or there are dedicated switches. Through the switches, you can use it as a quick start, so it can be used in two ways. After downloading the app, you have to connect step by step, and to synchronize it, you have to press the power button and the menu button together for 3 seconds. If you press for 3 seconds, it will go into paired mode and it will be paired. So we press for 3 seconds. And you can see it is paired nicely. It is asking for location permission. We give the permission and we start it. After starting, first it will map the whole house. So it is zooming around, checking different obstacles, furniture, and other things, and taking a full map of the house. You can see it is moving very nicely and checking everything. And this whole thing we can also see in the app, the mapping. And you can see it is going over wooden floor, then carpet. Yes, it is going there flawlessly and checking. Mapping will take some time. After mapping is complete, now we run it through the app to see how it performs. As soon as the machine starts, the nozzle in the middle of the power button rises up, you can see that, and through its sensors, through the LiDAR sensor, it starts working. And you can see it is maintaining lines very smoothly and doing its work. FlexiAdapt 8 cm gives this robot the ability to smoothly cross door thresholds and small obstacles without getting stuck, making whole home cleaning truly seamless. Whether it's moving between rooms or handling uneven surfaces, it adapts effortlessly for uninterrupted performance. At the same time, the ultra-slim 7.95 cm design allows it to glide under low furniture like beds, sofas, and cabinets where dust usually hides. This combination ensures no spot is missed, from open floors to tight spaces, delivering a deep and consistent clean throughout your home without requiring manual intervention or constant supervision. Real-time obstacle avoidance uses advanced sensors and intelligent algorithms to detect objects instantly and navigate around them with precision. Whether it's furniture, cables, or unexpected obstacles, the robot adjusts its path smoothly, preventing collisions and ensuring efficient, uninterrupted cleaning without the need for manual guidance. And in the app, you can see it is mapping the whole house and real-time location is visible, where it is currently and where it needs to go. Through this app, you can clean the whole house. If you want to clean a specific spot, you can do that, and all controls are given in the app. Like whether you want only sweeping, or only mopping, or sweeping plus mopping, or vacuum first, then mop, different options are available. And you can see it can work on carpet and floor together and do everything properly. And one very nice feature is that to clean corner dirt, the mopping brushes slide out a bit from the body. Since the vacuum is ball-shaped, normally it cannot reach corners. So they did a nice thing here. The back mopping brushes extend a little and clean the corners. This is a very nice feature. And another thing is it has around 35,000 pascals power, so it is a very powerful machine. It is working very nicely, as you can see. Since showing the whole house will take time, we will test in a specific area by placing some dust and debris. And another thing is through the app, you can access the camera and manually place the robot in different areas. And you can see it is intelligently going under chairs and mapping everything side by side. And here you can see another feature. Through the app, you can use voice command. If you have pets, you can move it using voice command. It can detect pets. If pet detection is on, it can detect pet shedding and other things automatically. And in the app, there are suction power options. Quiet, standard, intense, max, 4 options. You can enable or disable as needed, and there is also a default max suction option. And we mentioned earlier it has AI-driven mop extender. When it detects a corner, it extends the mop. You can see the preview in the app and also in video. So this helps to clean corners. There is also auto lifting and LiDAR system. It can adjust height to go under sofa. It can detect pets and works with voice assistant. There is fast mopping option, and in the app, you can see charge level. You can check video logs. If you are not at home, you can check through video log. There is stain recognition. There is multi-floor mapping. It can store 4 maps. Wherever you place it, it will work automatically. There is do not disturb mode and many more options. You can see it detected a paper on the floor and avoided it and marked it as obstacle. This is a very nice feature. So this is the main thing. It is a very nice and smart device. Keeping house clean is tough, so if anyone is interested, you can check it out. We will give the link in the description. You can buy from there. Stay well. See you in the next video.